Hey there, I'm Ron. Are you struggling to understand how users interact with your website? Welcome to Mouseflow, the ultimate platform for tracking user behavior and optimizing user experience, that is called UX. Whether you're a marketer, product manager, or web developer, Mouseflow provide all the tools you need to analyze and which help you to interact with the visitors, identify pain points, and improve your website performance. In this video, I will walk you through how to use Mouseflow and track your user behavior. Just go to Google, search for Mouseflow, click on this first link, you will be land here. Now let's go to the pricing. It's going to play a huge role here. Essential is completely free, right? For the, you can see here, but obviously there's a limitation. But if I just go to starters or growth, you can see here, there is the charges started coming up. Now this is just, advanced, which is $219 up to the 50K sessions. You can just go with the 150K for the $400, right? And if you just want large, then you can just go and talk to them. They will give you customized pricing. Monthly is a little bit expensive than annually, right? Now let's go and click on start for free. You can click on all the features, pause the video, and you can compare each and everything, or you can just go to the website and check everything here. Now click on start free. You will be redirected to a new page. I'm just going to use sign up with Google. You can use your normal email address, or you can go just like me here. Now click on continue, and here you can see here single sign on. So let's go and click on it. Now here you just need to enter your company name, which is Filex Express, your website URL, and what kind of website it is. So let's say in my case it's fashion and retail, and click on I agree and just go and click on next. Then you have to enter the name. Let's say my name is Ronwa. What's your role here? It is regarding the UX, or you can just go and choose your marketing. Now click on install tracking code. So within just few seconds here, it will load and it will give you an option. For example, choose your installation method, and we will show you how to do this. So if you have a Google Tag Manager, you can choose this. WordPress, if your website is made on WordPress, you can choose WordPress, or just a normal HTML, right? So let's say I will just go and choose here Google Tag Manager here. Now you have to simply copy this code and paste it, right? Now you have to just go to your Google Tag Manager, right? And you have to just paste it. Now just go and click on next. Automatically it will get link, right? So this is the exact process. By the way, you can add more website here. So you can just add the domain name and select the website type and just go and click on add, right? And if it is not installed, then it will show you not installed. So you have to just go and click on install. Same way, it will give you same option. Copy this here. If you have a HTML made, then copy to clipboard and click on next. So once you have completed adding the Mouseflow tracking code to your website, you should visit one of the pages where the code is installed. This will let Mouseflow know that the installation has been made. Now once it's done, you can just go and click on the settings gear icon, or just increase, let's go to the settings gear icon here. Now it will take you to the settings. You can simply just go to the dashboard. In my case, it is not been installed, but in your case, let's make sure that you should install this up. If it is not installed, then it will give you such kind of notification here. Now the dashboard give you each and every information that what is happening, what's the exact session. The UI is very simple to understand, right? How many users, what's the page view, and the benchmark, right? Average pace per visit and everything here. You can just get it. Now you can just click and hold, and you can move it wherever you want. You can delete this up, and you can just customize your interface here. You can even print this out, right? And this is settings gear icon, so this is take you to the back to the website setting. I hope you understood. Now let's go to the journey. Now what is basically the journey? Now the journey refers to the user journey or a customer journey, the path that a visitor take while interacting with a website. So Mouseflow is designed to track, analyze, and visualize the journey to help you understand how users navigate your site, where they encounter friction, and how they engage with your content, right? Now I hope you got it. Now once you buy this subscription, then only you can use it, or you can try for 14 days for completely free. Now it will help you to do a lot of things here. So once I just go and click on here, click on start new journey. Now you want to focus on specific page, so you can just go and select this specific page here, or type the specific page URL and click on apply. Now automatically Mouseflow will able to track each and everything. I hope you got the point now. Now this is a session replay, one of the most powerful feature of Mouseflow. Now what is session replay basically? So this is a standout feature. We know it. So you have to just go to the session replay section here, select a recorded session. So all the users, if your website is active, all the users will be recorded. The privacy will be not be leaked, but you can see that how that user came to your website through the journey and how they interacted, where they tapped, where they clicked, and what's the exact right for how many seconds they they invested or scrolled your website for how many seconds. You can track each and everything. Now you can see here, this is really easy. You can check out each and everything here. You can even live stream. Now this is a heat maps. So heat maps is another powerful feature which help you to analyze each and everything, right? The tabs. So once you just go to the heat maps, just go and select here, click new heat maps, and you will able to find it here, right? And choose the specific page you want to analyze. Let's say home page or product page. Select the type of heat map, click mouse scroll, or check the attention, narrow down data by device type, location, or user behavior. So these tools provide a visual representation of user interaction, helping you identify areas for improvement. Which you can see here, there's a lot more feature. I want to just check the mouse flow here, so I can just go and check this up, right? So let me show you up. So let me zoom this up. I can just check the heat maps and everything, right? So this is pretty cool. You can just come to this tutorial, I mean the video, you can have it. And once your website goes live, you can obviously check it. This is for the scroll, attention, the interactive the geographic location and everything. So this is one of the most powerful feature which I really like. Now this is a funnel, so you can optimize funnel and forms to key to improve conversions. You can navigate to the funnel section, define key steps in the user journey. Yeah, for example, cart to checkout to payment, right? You can check out. So you can just go to add new funnel here, and let's say this is a test one, add the page, and you can just write name here, click on create funnel, right? And in this way, once you created your funnel, you can analyze where user abandoned the funnel and take corrective actions, right? For example, the example which I gave, there's a cart, the customer goes to add the product to the cart, then the checkout, then the payment. So if they left at the cart, once they've added to the product to the cart, but somehow for some XYZ reason they left, but what was the reason? You can exactly find it inside the funnel, right? So in this way, you can improve the website. In this way, you can improve the UI, UX, your feel, and visual of your funnels. The form is simply same thing here. This is pretty much similar. This is feedback, so you can just check all this. You can just give them feedback, or add a new survey and everything here. The settings, that is pretty easy to identify, right? You can change each and everything, right? This recording control and everything. There's a lot more option here, right? So if you want to record only some percentage, you can record it. If you want to record it to the 100%, you can do it, right? So this is a session left. So in the free trial, you can only record up to the 5 minute session, right? And once you upgrade it, the session get gradually increase. So this is how it happens, and I hope you found this video very useful.